made my chocolate cake in a mug to celebrate. Now, let me show you a glimpse of my first year on YouTube. So I still cannot believe that it has been 1 year since I started this adventure on YouTube. So what I wanted to do today is just share some things with you. So I released my very first YouTube video on February 2nd, 2019. And now I have 114 videos that are on my YouTube channel. That is so crazy. And it all started with this easy one-pan dinner.
Welcome to Time to Cook. Today I'm going to make for you a super easy one-pan meal. But before we get started, I would just like to thank you for watching my new YouTube channel. I am so excited to be able to share with you the recipes and the tips and the skills that I use in my kitchen so that it might help you in yours. So please hit that subscribe button and show me that you like my videos, because I will be uploading new ones each week.
When I watch this video, it almost makes me want to laugh. I mean, it's a little bit painful. I think I have come a long way since then. I am definitely more comfortable behind the camera. And let me just say, that takes some time getting used to. Even though I'm by myself in my own home, it feels a little odd. I do try to be creative and to keep you engaged and interested in my videos. I have lots of ideas and exciting things that I want to do in this new upcoming year. So I'm looking forward to what 2020 will bring. Let me share with you my goals for YouTube. Now, as a certified chef, of course, I'm cooking all the time. So my biggest goal is to inspire you to cook and share with you a wide variety of recipes. Recipes that are quick and easy, recipes that are affordable, recipes that are healthy. And for those of you who do enjoy cooking, I would like to give you recipes that might challenge you or have you step out of your comfort a little. That is a big goal of mine. And another goal is for my channel to be monetized. What does that mean? That means that YouTube will put ads on my channel. Now, YouTube does have requirements. Their requirement to monetize is you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. Currently, I am at 800 subscribers. Yay, I'm getting really close. And 3,470 hours watched. So I'm getting close, y'all, and I am super excited. Now I want to share with you my top 5 videos. Coming in at 5th place is for my West Virginia hot dog. Now my hot dog video had 1,348 views and I gained 37 subscribers from my hot dog video. So coming in number 4 is for my strawberry buttercream. Now I will say that this video really surprised me at how well it did, because it went together with my fudgy brownie bites that I made for Valentine's Day. I thought that the video was too long, so I separated it and made the strawberry buttercream separate. And I have 2,246 views and I gained 14 subscribers from this strawberry buttercream. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add my freeze-dried strawberries. And in third place is my chicken Alfredo lasagna.
Oh, look at that goodness. Cooking is almost ready. I'm just gonna let the top of the cheese get nice and golden.
This video had 6,284 views and I gained 53 subscribers. So in second place is the giant cookie cake at 6,754 views and I gained 42 subscribers.
Okay, there is Ben's cookie cake.
And in first place is for the queso blanco.
Ta-da! Look at that cheese. That is so just velvety and delicious.
Now my queso blanco video, it blows my mind, seriously. I have 45,605 views and I gained 200 subscribers just from this video. So I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed and who watch my videos. I just cannot thank you enough. And now for the video that was the most difficult for me to film. And it was for my 3 Grinchy recipes. This video took me 7 hours to film. Yes, 7 hours. It was a lot of work. I had to film this in 2 segments. My very good friend Amy, who is a hairstylist, came and did my hair and makeup and transformed me into Cindy Lou Who. But I will say, even though it was a lot of work, I had such a good time making this video. If you have not seen it, I hope that you go back and watch it. I was a little bit disappointed because of all the work that I put into it. I didn't get as many views as I would have liked to have, but that's okay. I still had a good time. So, in case you may be interested, I actually started a second YouTube channel, and it is called Heavenly Hikes. Now, this channel is completely different than my cooking channel. This is just all about my hiking trips, my backpacking trips, and I only have 1 video on there currently, but I do have plans to put more on there as I go out and hike and backpack. And I'm really super excited about this. And if you're interested, you can check it out. I'll give you the link in the description box below.
Okay, so we are headed to the trail head, and it is about 30 degrees, so it's a little bit chilly.
And now I have a big announcement. I will be moving. Yes, I'm super excited. Now this will not happen immediately. It's going to be the next couple months, but I have a lot of really good ideas that I want to share with you in this process. So that's the big news in my life currently. So a couple more goals that I have for the upcoming year is a website, which I am currently working on. It's not quite ready, but hopefully that will be very helpful for you. You'll be able to go in and see all my recipes. And I'm also applying to become an Amazon affiliate. And what that means is I'll just have links in my description box below of different kitchen tools and things like that I use in the kitchen. Actually, I've already done this on a couple of my videos. My stovetop kettle corn, I put the link into Amazon for the Whirly Pop in the description box below, but that's what that means. It'll just be a little bit helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching today and listening to me talk about my year on YouTube, looking back at all my videos and my goals for the upcoming year. It has been a lot of fun, but I will see you soon with more recipes.